What's up, y'all? Check this out. We're at the Hog Addiction booth, Memphis in May, Smokehouse Bayou. They got third place today in the vinegar barbecue sauce, and they also got a world championship for the whole hog in 2019. Let's walk up in here and check it out. Come on. What's up?
What's up, Dano?
Hey, tell them who you are. Tell them what you won with.
This is Smokehouse Bayou barbecue Bayou sauce. You can get it at smokehousebayou.com.
There you go.
We won the vinegar, third place in vinegar.
Hey.
First time we've ever been to Memphis in May. First competition I've ever put this sauce in.
Hey, third place, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, look, if you got to be number three in the world. You know?
That's right. There you go. There you go. Hell yeah. That's right. Here, let's walk over here and we're going to find my buddy, Marcio. Marcio.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up? What's going on here? What we got going on?
Oh, look, we got a little picanha going on here.
Yeah.
Yes, it's picanha night at the Hog Addiction tent.
Is it damn good? Is it going to be damn good?
Follow me.
There you go.
That's how we do it down here. Look, one thing I learned about Danos, this is useless.
There you go. Pop the top. Oh, yeah. That's getting ready to be some dang good picanha.
If
right
you don't
there.
go heavy with Danos, you ain't going anywhere.
That's right.
Y'all got it? I'm gonna holster my weapon in case I get in a bind.
That's right.
Come on.
Let's go. This is absolutely probably the coolest grill I've ever seen in my life.
Hey, so check it out. Chef Trip Ryan coming to you. I got Dano and Toothpick from Dano's Original Spice. It's the fastest growing spice company in the country right now. These bad boys showed up here at Memphis in May with my boy Marcio. Hey Marcio, what you got going on here, buddy?
Look at this. Look at that. Nothing less but Danos. But check this out.
Hey, you're not running into any flavor problems around here because you keep it on your hip.
All right, so what you got here, man?
So what we have here, look, we got some Danos. I start seasoning this. I want to finish seasoning more. Look at that.
See
Look at
that?
that.
Not gonna overdo it. Nothing but flavor right there, baby.
I learned one thing from this guy.
Lay it on me.
This is worthless. You gotta pull the lid off.
So what's cool about this spice is it's really low in sodium, right?
Correct.
Like, tell me about it. Tell me what the deal is.
It's low sodium, it's all natural, no sugar. It's just real flavor. I know in the barbecue community, a lot of people use the MSG to get things to pop really quick.
Right.
Cool thing about Dano's is it doesn't have the MSG. This is the coolest grill I've ever seen, and the owner, or the guy that created it, is right here.
That's Aaron Norris.
It's the most versatile, fun grill on the market today. You can sit here and you can cook. I can cook. We call it grilling in 360. And so you got your sear station all around, but then you can raise and lower the grates, go over the fire, come off the fire, so you can really have a lot of temperature control. So man, listen to that sizzle, man. It's killer for breakfast, killer for steak. I mean,
I bet this makes the best eggs after waking up in a
corned beef
campsite.
hash, you name it, man. Fajitas, it's a fajita machine. Fajita machine, man.
And the cool thing about the Tribal Fire is there's a lot of different accessories. What you see here is a grill grate insert in the center. We also have a flat top, makes the entire thing hibachi. You also have a stand where you can put a wok. So we're able to stir fry, deep fry. This is the only mobile grill grate in the marketplace. So it can swing on and off a temp, right? That's great. People in SCA love this grill because of that. We had so many walks in our first year rolling it out. Other features are we have a half hotel pan holder.
Put a hotel pan in here.
There's a lid, pizza
Prep
oven.
station.
It's great. Live fuel, you know, a chimney and a half and just a little bit of maybe a chunk of wood. And the cool thing also with the wood is you can see the smoke. It rolls right off of this flat top. And so this is gonna be a very nice, smoky, real wood smoke flavor.
The only hibachi grill that will give you wood flavor. The only one in the country. None of them will give you it'll give you the charcoal flavor. None of them.
Heck yeah.
Look, you put it down, you cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check this out. It's already there. If you haven't heard or and seen this, y'all go ahead and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Go ahead and follow them on TikTok. Those guys, look, if you're just sitting on your couch and you're looking for some awesome dudes, Smoke got me. If you're looking for some awesome dudes doing some really fun cooking, that's them. And this is good and healthy for you too.
Tribal Fire Grill.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much, I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money statement, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues.